Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a Pop Mart unboxing. As you can see, I have two different kinds. One is the Have a Good Run Ma like Chun Hoi is for the Chinese New Year. I think this came out about 2 to 3 weeks ago. And these are from the Skullpanda My Little Pony crossover or collaboration, and they're super cute. So these are not blind boxes, they are confirmed boxes, ones that I want. So if it's not obvious enough, I already have the two My Little Ponies that I wish to unbox, and then we can compare them later. This will be part one of my Pop Mart unboxing video, because in part two I bought a few clothing for my plush pendants, and for during Chinese New Year I got these and a few more outfits that I plan to do for part two. So stay tuned if you're interested in kind of like playing dress up for your plush dolls. I will be putting them on my Labubus. And yeah, so if you're interested, stay tuned for part two. And back to part one. So the first box I will be unboxing is this one. This has a series of different IPs from Pop Mart. So as you can see, this is the Have a Good Run series. This is a Skullpanda on the front, and every single IP is dressed up in a horse costume, or they're dressed in horses. And obviously there is one here that's very obvious I would want. This first one here is Crybaby, called Sweet Love, and then there's Twinkle Twinkle. I think that's Hirono, and then that's Molly, and Hachi Poo Poo, Skullpanda again, Labubu, and The Secret. I actually don't know. I think The Secret might be a Skullpanda, but yeah, so today we're not getting a secret because, as I mentioned, it's already a confirmed box, so it was sent to me knowing what I wanted. Enough of the talking, let's get her open. So I don't have the satisfaction of unzipping or pulling a blind box, but because I know what I want. This is the plush pendant dust bag, I guess. It says have a good run. Here we go. And I got the purple Labubu, which is also a horsey. So cute. So obviously I had to get a Labubu version, and you could see the top tie is done in like a bow for the Lunar New Year. And then the top of the Labubu is like a horse. My favorite color is purple, so I was glad to see that this year they made Labubu into the purple color. The eyes are kind of like yellow, mustard, golden kind of. Yeah, so this is the CNY Labubu. Let me put it here. Okay, and then now for these two. Open this one first. The box for this one is super pretty. And not to spoil which one this is, I will here put the choices. This one comes in 8 different My Little Pony Skullpandas, and I only chose 2 for now. I think I probably will not buy any more, but we'll see how pretty these look, because the quality in these are much higher than like a Labubu, to be honest. So let's take a closer look at the box. It has this rainbow effect in different angles. And the Skullpanda on the front is Twilight Sparkle, which is the main character in My Little Pony. And as you can see, I also have the Twilight Sparkle in the background to match. So let's open her up. Oh, this is very nice. The dust bag for these My Little Pony crossover Skullpanda. The material of this dust bag is very soft. Okay, I already feel like there's a plastic wrapping, so be careful. Wow, okay, this is, oh, this is Rarity. So I thought I was opening Twilight Sparkle, but Rarity is that My Little Pony over there. It's the same one. She's super cute. Look at the details on her. So when I was younger, I used to love unicorns. So you can see those were actually gifted to me by a friend. And she knows I like unicorns in purple. So the 2 unicorns she decided to buy me from My Little Pony is Twilight Sparkle and Rarity. And this is Rarity from Skullpanda. So let me do a 360 on her. They all have like super nice hair. And there's a hairnet, so I'll remove it later. Let's get a close-up of her eyes. Look at the makeup on her. And the fashion and dress on Skullpandas are always so like nice. So you see the 3 diamonds. It's the same as that 3 diamonds. And then you see the 3 diamonds here. It's the same as right there. So now let's remove her hairnet. Okay, maybe I'll just keep it like that for now. Not completely remove it because I don't want all her hair to go all crazy. I want to keep it nice and pretty like how it is now. But just to show you guys how pretty, she has this lavender silky hairstyle. Okay. So that's the first one I got. And then for the second box, clearly it is this one right here. So I can show you the side now. For confirmed boxes, some suppliers would, like the shops that I get it from, would mark it up. Some don't mark it, but then this one does. And so you can see that I got Twilight Sparkle. Hope that's showing up clearly on screen. Okay, I hope my camera is able to focus. I can't really see if it is. The lighting might have an impact on it, but I wanted to now read out all of the different versions you can have from the series of the Skullpanda. So the first white and purple one is the one that I just opened. They're all 1 in 6. So the first one is Rarity, and then there's Rainbow Dash, which is like light blue. I feel like it's not focusing. Anyway, I'll do this quickly. And then there's Pinkie Pie, is pink. And then this is the one that I will be unboxing now, Twilight Twinkle, which is the main character. So pretty, this purple one. And then there's Fluttershy, which is very nice as well, like pink and yellowish color. And then this is the one that I least like, which is Applejack. They're all very pretty, so if I was to get the set, I'd be happy, but I'm trying to control my consumption on like everything, including Pop Mart, because you can kind of go overboard once you start buying like every single collection. So I try to only pick up ones that I really like and will enjoy putting up. And then there's two secrets. One is 1 in 36 and the other is 1 in 72. This one is actually really pretty as well. The big secret is the queen. I forgot the name. I'll put it on the screen. But okay, now I'll open the second confirmed box. Oh, I forgot to get the cards out. I will show the cards in closer up later after I reveal my second My Little Pony. This is Twilight Sparkle. A plane just flew by, so sorry for the noise, but so pretty. It's supposed to be the same matchy with that one right there. Okay, let's look at her close up. Her outfit is so nice. Dark purple and like a lilac purple. It's my favorite color. And again, another hairnet. Let's take her out. Super pretty. Oh, so nice. So these two are a must. The unicorn. The eyes are so pretty. Okay, let me bring both of them together now. I currently have 6 or 7 Skullpandas. Actually, no, I don't. I have 9, I think. I can't count all of them anymore. But these would be in addition. I think these make 11 now. So one day I'll show you my Skullpanda collection. But they are one of my favorite IPs, just because they're just so pretty. Some people don't like the eyes. I think they're quite nice, very nice plush pendants. So these are my 2 new ones from the My Little Pony series. And let's get the Labubu back. So cute. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me in part 1 unboxing. And I will see you guys in my part 2. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. I realized I didn't show the character cards. So this one. So this one is Rarity. And then we have Twilight Twinkle. And this is the Labubu character card. Super cute. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.